Shri Bhagwati, manufacture, customized, automatic 4-head filling machine with single-head pick and place capping machine. An automatic 4-head filling machine with a single-head pick and place capping machine is a piece of industrial equipment used in packaging operations. Here's a brief overview of its components and functions. Components: 4-head filling system. Filling nozzles, 4 nozzles that can fill multiple containers simultaneously. Conveyor system, transports containers to the filling station. Filling mechanism, controls the volume of product dispensed into each container, which can be based on time, volume, or weight. Single head pick and place capping system. Cap feeder, supplies caps to the capping head. Pick and place arm, picks a cap from the feeder and places it onto the filled container. Capping mechanism, secures the cap onto the container, which can include screw capping, press-on capping, or other methods. Functions: automated filling. The conveyor system moves containers into position under the filling nozzles. The filling nozzles dispense a preset amount of product into the containers. The filled containers are then moved to the capping station. Automated capping. The pick and place arm picks a cap and places it on a filled container. The capping mechanism secures the cap onto the container. The capped containers are then moved to the next stage of the packaging process or to an output area. Benefits: increased efficiency. Multiple containers can be filled and capped simultaneously, increasing production speed. Consistency and accuracy. Automated systems ensure that each container receives the same amount of product and that each cap is applied with uniform torque. Labor savings. Automation reduces the need for manual intervention, allowing operators to manage more complex tasks. Flexibility. Suitable for a variety of container sizes and shapes, and can handle different types of products and caps. Applications: pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, food and beverage, chemicals. Example process: loading, containers are loaded onto the conveyor. Filling, containers are positioned under the filling nozzles and filled with the product. Capping, filled containers are moved to the capping station, where the pick and place arm applies caps. Output, capped containers are moved to the next stage of packaging or to an output area. If you have specific requirements or need detailed specifications for such a machine, feel free to provide more information. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.